Hey everybody, I'm back, and this time I'm gonna show you how to make the Earth, Luna, Mars, Phobos, and Deimos, okay? Now let's get things started. Okay, so we're gonna do the Earth first, so we're gonna save Luna for later. First of all, grab the Rocky Planet model. You don't have to change the size, just keep it the same. Then time for the magnets. Okay, color this planet blue. It could be any type of blue. Dark blue, light blue, like that. Then grab the green camera plate. And of course, put the Roche magnet into the mass magnet. Then put the green camera plate layer to 1. Jeez, I'm gonna be yapping a lot, aren't I? But I'm not really gonna do all the continents on the planet because that would take a lot of time, and I don't have that much time, so you could do it if you want, but yeah, you could do it, but I won't do it. You could just make them custom continents. Yeah. Then connect the ropes to the cobblestone. And now connect it, and you can do multiple continents. But yeah. Now grab snow. The snow. We need it. Then set it to unmeltable, and if you want, you can do it unbreakable. If you don't set it to unmeltable, then your planet will be very buggy when it melts. So yeah, had to learn it the hard way. So then resize it to this, and then copy it, and then make it a bit shorter, and like that. Then I accidentally kind of messed up by accidentally rotating it. So yeah, don't do that. I'm trying to fix it. But you want something like that. Then copy and then flip it. Then connect it to the cobblestone. Then it's time to make the spikes. Meow. You need about 4 of them. And then try to make it like a square shape. Then make it pointy. And of course, connect it. I also forgot disable collision for all of them. And then disable gravity. And yeah. And then for the snow things, make it unmeltable. And if you want, unbreakable. So yeah. Okay, so this is your decision to make, but you can copy the blue texture and then put it to -61. And do what I'm doing. Then we need the ice block, for the clouds. Disable collision, disable gravity, disable unmeltable, and then if you want, unbreakable. You need 6 or 4 if you want. Size them up any shape or form, like what I'm doing. Then connect it to the cobblestone. And now you can put it wherever you want. And I also kind of forgot this, but you need this. Set it to light blue. If you want, you can max it out or kind of like make it a little bit dim. I kind of forgot about that until now. Now it's time for Luna. You can resize it as small as you can. Maybe make it the size of Mercury. But if you feel like that's kind of unrealistic, you can get the spawner. Freeze the Rocky Planet model, and then copy it, and then freeze the spawner. And if you want, you can freeze the Earth too, but yeah. But this is what happens when you forget to freeze the model. Then resize the spawner, like any size, small, I don't know, maybe big if you want. But yeah, I think that's pretty small. So yeah. You could leave it at that. Or you can make some patterns. Copy the texture and then color it as dark as you can. Actually, never mind. Set it to -20. You can make those little fragments the same way you resize the Rocky Planet model. But when you're finished, you can connect them to the cobblestone. Then change the magnets to this. And finally, after you're finished, you can connect it. But before you connect it to the spear, it's time for the rope. Press the plus sign on the rope section. Then change the type to spring. Then keep collision. Texture, it can be anything you want. Or the icon too. And make it breakable. And then put it both to 100. You can name it anything you want, but I'm gonna put it to Moonspring and then save it. After you did that, grab the Moonspring and then connect the cobblestone to Earth. And then make the distance like that, so that Luna doesn't get pulled into the Earth. And that's how you do it. And here's the collision to the Earth and Luna. And now it's time to make Mars. Now, grab the Rocky Planet model and then resize it to that. And the color should be reddish, like Venus. grab the orange piece and put it all the way dark. And you can make it any type of pattern you want. So yeah, have fun with that. Okay, so grab the orange piece and then set it to -33. Then do what I do. Okay, it's supposed to look like that, and now grab another orange piece and then set it to -20. And then again, you can make any pattern you want. So yeah. Okay, to make it a bit more easier, just grab the earth model that you had. Then you delete everything except for this part. Then set the layer to 3. Then do the same tactic that you did with Luna with the spawner. For some reason, this little snow block didn't decide to move. So yeah, if that happens to you, then don't worry. And this is what it looks like. But yeah, make sure you copy it and then get another one and then flip it over. Then connect it to the cobblestone. And we are finished with Mars. And do what I'm doing. And finally, we are going to Deimos and Phoebos. So grab this plate and then shrink it down to the smallest as you can. And then do what I'm doing, so And we are done with Deimos. So grab the moon spring and then connect it to the cobblestone. Now it's time for Phabos. And there we are. We are finished with Phabos. Now let's look at the collision. I hope this helped, and bye!